With dietary supplements becoming more popular, it's critical to understand how they work and whether they're right for you. Supplements are products that contain one or more dietary ingredients, such as vitamins, minerals, herbs, or amino acids, and are designed to supplement a person's diet. Or nicotinamide mononucleotide is a compound that has received a lot of attention in recent years due to its potential anti-aging properties. NMN supplementation potentially slows the aging process. Welcome back, guys, hope you're all doing well. In this video, we'll look more closely at how NMN works and consider its potential benefits and drawbacks. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button with notifications turned on to get notified when we update videos like this one. Stay tuned and let's get started. What exactly is NMN? Nicotinamide mononucleotide is a naturally occurring molecule found in all species. It is a ribonucleotide, which is a basic structural unit of nucleic acid RNA. It is made up of a nicotinamide group, a ribose group, and a phosphate group. NMN is a precursor of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, a molecule that may be useful in slowing the aging process. NAD+ performs numerous important functions in our cells, including electron transport, cell signaling, and DNA repair. NMN is valued not for what it can do, but for what it can become. In recent years, scientists have focused on one molecule known as nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, which is thought to be a biomarker for aging. NAD is an essential component of our cells. It is thought to help with a variety of functions, including cell energy levels, immunity, and the reduction of senescent cells. Unfortunately, our NAD levels decline with age, so keeping NAD levels high should keep us younger and fitter for longer. Evidence suggests that as we age, our NAD+ levels decrease, increasing our risk of age-related diseases. This is where the NAD+ precursor NMN enters the picture. Some researchers believe that restoring lost NAD+ could not only slow aging but also postpone various age-related diseases. The question of whether restoring NAD+ metabolism in humans will slow aging or support healthy longevity remains unanswered, though animal data is promising. How is it relative to aging and longevity? Sirtuins regulate aging. 7 are found in humans and 5 in yeast. They essentially protect all organisms on the planet, including humans, from decay and disease. They function in a variety of cellular pathways that control cell death, turn anti-aging genes on and off, aid in DNA repair, and regulate metabolism. SIRT1 is one of the 4 pathways to longevity. When more of these genes were introduced into organisms, their lifespans increased by 5 to 20%. With this discovery, scientists began using molecules to mimic genes. NMN and resveratrol were 2 of the molecules they used. NMN is a niacin derivative. It occurs naturally and can be obtained from foods such as fruits, milk, and vegetables. In the body, NMN is used to produce nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, a powerful and necessary molecule found in every cell. If your NAD+ levels in your body fell to 0, you die in about 30 seconds. NAD+ also plays an important role in activating sirtuins, which is probably the most important when it comes to longevity and the fight against aging. In fact, without NAD+, the SIRT1 genes are unable to function and protect our bodies from deterioration and disease. Unfortunately, as we age, our NAD+ levels decrease. By the age of 50, most of us have NAD+ levels that are roughly half of what they were when we were 20. This reduction in NAD+ impairs SIRT1's ability to defend our bodies and slow the aging process. How do NMN supplements function? Because NAD is not very bioavailable, NMN is critical in the search for it. It is difficult to consume in supplement form, which is why scientists have focused on other molecules such as NMN and nicotinamide riboside. Both of these are NMN precursors, which means that once inside the body, they undergo a chemical reaction that converts them to NAD. Take a supplement of these and your NAD levels will rise, according to the theory. What foods include NMN? NMN occurs naturally in foods such as avocado, broccoli, cabbage, and tomatoes. Now you might be thinking, if NMN is found in food, can't I increase my levels of NAD+ by eating more of those foods? That's a good question, and we do encourage you to eat a healthy diet. But here's the problem. Although NMN is present in these foods, the concentrations are less than 1 mg per kilogram of food. To get about 1 milligrams of NMN, you'd have to eat about 1 kilograms of broccoli. It has been discovered that in order to increase NAD+ levels in humans, NMN levels should be in the hundreds of milligrams per dose. This is far more than we can get from our diets, no matter how much broccoli we consume. Where do you get your own NMN? NMN has been shown to improve energy metabolism and physical activity, improve insulin sensitivity and eye function, reduce age-related gain, improve mitochondrial metabolism, and prevent age-related gene expression changes. Unfortunately, even though NMN occurs naturally in foods such as avocados, broccoli, cabbage, and cucumbers, it is impossible to obtain enough through your daily diet to make a significant difference. This is where NMN supplements come in, and the market is rapidly expanding. In 2020, the global NMN market is expected to be worth $253 million. It is expected to top $386 million by the end of 2027. However, not all NMN supplements are the same. Because NMN is difficult to produce, these supplements can be expensive, and as a result, the number of low-quality, low-cost supplements has increased. They try to make the same claims as the market leaders while failing to deliver. NMN research in humans. The majority of NMN research has been done on mice and rats. These have been shown to improve bone structure, vascular health, reproduction, immune system function, and lifespan, as well as metabolism, liver, skin, muscle, and brain function. Human studies on people taking NMN are still in their early stages, but there is some preliminary data that is interesting. A Japanese laboratory conducted a human clinical trial of NMN in 2020, which revealed that it is well tolerated when given as a single dose. According to the findings of a 2021 study, NMN improves aerobic capacity in amateur runners. While the study had some limitations, there were some small but noticeable improvements. Another human study published in 2021 suggests that NMN improved muscle glucose metabolism in pre-diabetic women and produced clinically significant results. The results of a multi-center NMN clinical trial were published in May of 2022, with some modest but intriguing findings. The data indicated that NMN increased energy levels, which could be interpreted as an anti-aging effect, albeit a minor one in this case. Nonetheless, NAD+ levels increased in the placebo participants who did not receive NMN. These findings necessitates further investigation and a larger study, as this one was relatively small. Researchers report finding a molecule that essentially reactivates faltering blood flow in aging mice in a study published in the journal Cell. Poor blood flow is a major cause of aging because it deprives tissues and organs, including the brain, of the nutrients and oxygens they require to function. Loss of blood flow appears to be one of the early things that can lead to diseases of aging, says David Sinclair, senior author of the study and co-director of Harvard Medical School's Paul F. Glenn Center for the Biology of Aging. As organs such as the brain and muscles lose perfusion, they cease to function effectively. The prospects of NMN research. Despite the fact that there is currently very little human data, NMN is being aggressively marketed as a dietary supplement and NAD+ booster. Despite the lack of strong human evidence, it has proven popular with people who are confident in its usefulness as an anti-aging compound. However, for some people seeking the fountain of youth, the high cost may be prohibitive. It's possible that less expensive precursors like NMNH or other methods will take their place. After all, a supplement to be truly effective in slowing the aging process, it must not only work but also be affordable. Currently, the price of NMN and NR is out of reach for the average person, which is a problem that must be addressed. However, we have yet to establish conclusively that NMN supplements work to slow aging. Fortunately, more human trials are underway, which will hopefully reveal how effective NMN is in this regard. Side effects of NMN? While there is little data on the long-term administration of NMN in humans, many of us use it as a dietary supplement with few negative reports. More research on long-term safety and efficiency, however, is needed. Obviously, if you choose to be an early adopter and take an NMN supplement, keep in mind that you are essentially self-experimenting. If you experience any negative side effects, stop using it immediately and consult your doctor. While more research is needed on the long-term effects of NMN, preclinical studies have shown promising results in improving cellular function and reducing age-related diseases. That's all for today. We hope you liked this video. Have you ever tried NMN supplementation? What were your observations? Please let us know in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updates.